In this video, we have the brand new 2025 Sprinter 3520 RDS. What I mean by RDS is rear living, rear dining. So it's living and dining in the back, and then you have a central kitchen in the middle with a bathroom and then a king-size bedroom suite. The beautiful about Sprinter is they give you a lot of features at the price point you could afford. Number one, you have the nice full body cap. So it has a full cap in the front, and that's, by the way, it's painted, not just a decal. So a painted cap in the front. It has the 2 power awning with LED light, massive outside storage pass-through. As you see, look how big it is. And you could see even the aluminum structure. This unit has fiberglass aluminum frame. There's a TV hookup outside. Typical Sprinter, they give you the thermal package, which is enclosed under belly heated, double insulation, the floor and the walls. 220 watt solar panel already included on this unit. 16-inch tires, auto leveling, so you push a switch and the unit level itself. As you see, 1 power awning on the slide and 1 power awning on the side with the 2 outside speakers. So when I open the awning on this unit, it covers whole unit. In the rear, as usual, Sprinter providing us with a class 2 receivers in the back with a plug, 4-way plug. So in case if I want to pull my jet ski, my boat, or a bike rack, you could do that all over here. And even they give you the wiring, so it's perfect if you want to pull a boat. You have Lippert expandable ladders in the rear. You have a backup camera hookup. Then over here, as you see, typical Sprinter, they provide me with endless hot water heater. This is a pure endless hot water heater, so instant hot water for you. And then I like what they do. It's a docking station with a sensor light. As soon as you put your hand, the lights go on. So it has the hot and cold outside showers, all the valves you need to hook up the fresh water, sanitation flush, cable hookup, sunlight hookup. All this you could do it here by opening this tab and get all the hoses from here, so you could close it so nobody play with your hookup when you are hooked up in a campground. So give you a more secure and nicer clean look. Rather, some manufacturers they have different spot for the hookup. Then again, another side of the auto level, the pass-through storage. Then you have a controller here for the auto leveling with a key. So you come and you just put on, and then the auto level, it level itself. You have 2 propane tanks, 7 gallon each, one in each side. And then we have a front storage here. And here's your battery box. Here's your solar controller panel and a prep for inverter. So if you want to add inverter, you can. Spare tires I like about it is in the front of the unit, so it gives you the back clear. And also it has additional solar hookup if you have a portable. Look how tough that LED light in the front. So this is some of the features of the Sprinter 3520 RDS outside. Again, the beautiful about Keystone company, we're very well known. They provide you with the 3 years warranty. They give you a 3-year structure warranty. They give you 12 years on the roof and 1 year tip to tip. The nice thing about this compartment is what I like. It has the latch. Just you open it, the slam luggage doors. So everything, the high-end Fifthwheel, they provide it to you in affordable price. Now let's go inside and show you the nice features of the 3520 RDS, because this floor plan is very unique. Is very well known for giving you separation between the living area and the kitchen area and the bedroom, as well as very well known for the largest counter space for mid-kitchen coming in. Now, the reason why people they buy this floor plan is for the separation between the kitchen and the living. And the second reason why people they like to buy this unit is for the huge amount of kitchen counter space. You could not believe you have all this. I mean, this is probably easy 5 feet, and then you have all this long, plus all this. There's like a U-shaped kitchens. And nice thing, while you are sitting here washing dishes, cooking, you still could see the nice big TV in front of you, and you're not in the way of the people. So if the husband's sitting in those couches watching a game, have social talking with the friends, and you in the kitchen cooking something, you're not in his way. Plus, it gives you opportunity. You have a prep area. So if I'm washing stuff, I have a room to put on the left, room to put on the right as well. I have another counter space. Even if I'm cooking here on my 3-burner range, and come with the oven, I have again prep area to the left, prep area, 30-inch microwave. Unbelievable, a lot of, I don't know what you want to fill with all these cabinets. I mean, it's amazing. All these cabinets included. So a huge kitchen, a lot of room to put your silverware, cooking pans, and then on the bottom you have a set of doors right here. As well, you have a place for trash can here underneath the sink, and then you have a big shelf here for your cooking pans. It's a huge amount of kitchen. I mean, this unit, it's perfect for somebody who want to live in it and worry about kitchen. I mean, kitchen, it's the key of this unit. Plus, they give you a nice counter space here. You could get your bar stools, a couple bar stools, feed somebody here. If this is in your way, close the shelf, and you have more opening. You have another place here for stuff to put in, like wine bottles, you know, perfect because it has the lid. So it's served like a bar, or served like a counter space if you want to add somebody to sit on it and has more counter space, or if you don't want to use it, just bring it down. Now let's go on the living area. So now we are in the living dining area of the 3520 RS. The beauty about it, it provides you with a 2-tier seating with a middle console. So I can sit here, raise the recliners, voila, I'm going to bed. Where's my drink? And then you have a cup holders, cell phone charger, another place for your remote control. And the beauty about it, you sit and you're facing the TV and the fireplace. Also, we have provided a hide-a-bed sofa over here. So I could sit here, 2 people sit there, 2 to 4 people sit on the table, and you have a really nice conversation and really nice seating area. So that's what it is. It gives you very open for living space. It gives you more room, nobody bumping against each other, and you're separate from your kitchen and your dining. Now, coming over here, we have a beautiful big smart TV with Bluetooth system. So you could do, like Bluetooth from your phone, all the music you like. There you go, Bluetooth mode. And then you have cabin on the side here and there. And then you have lighting switch for upstairs. As well, you have a nice LED light around the counter. So you could see it's a very modern, high-end look from the TV and the seamless fireplace, and the cabin in the top, cabin on the bottom. I mean, it's at night is perfect for Invion, for if you turn the lights down. And across from it, we have a nice table and a 4-chair. Now, what I like about the table they start putting on the Sprinters is there's no legs. This is a big deal. So you could see here, I'm putting my leg, sit here comfy. I could scoop my chair this way if I want. And this guy, he could sit easy. So I could sit easy 4 people on this table with no problem. And these chairs, as you see, it has storage. You could put the napkins and whatever's needed right there. So this table, the like about it, I don't have to worry about strapping the tables because it's already part of the wall. And there's no leg on the table, so it's easy to use and easy to sit around it. From this way, we're gonna go to the kitchen. To this side, we have a huge pantry. So all this cabinet in the U-shaped kitchen, they're still giving you a big pantry. So storage, no issue on this unit. Then coming here, so we have the side-by-side refrigerator, and this is, you can see this freezer, and then this is the fridge, very roomy, very big, and it's a 12-volt refrigerator. Coming down here, These shelf here, they have, as you see, sensor lights. So as soon as I walk in, it has sensor light. I could put a place for my shoes here. So when I come in, I could take my shoes, put them underneath the step, so I don't have to walk in shoes and have the wife yelling, screaming, "You make the trailer dirty." Now, coming here, we have a nice, beautiful king bedroom suite. Now, one thing I want to notice, you guys notice, is all these light is on a dimmer. So even in the living room as well in the bedroom, they're in dimmers, on and off switch with the dimmers. This unit comes with 2 ACs. As you see, there's 1 AC here in the bedroom, 1 AC in the living room, and both ducted. King size bed with a shelf on the side for your bottle of waters. Also, you have inverter outlet, so in case if you add the inverters and you have CPAP machines, you can run it off the battery if you want to. Also here we have storage compartment underneath for your blankets and pillows. Facing the king size bed, we have a room for king size bed for a big TV with hookup, nice shelf, big doors for underwears and socks and so on, and whatever you want to store. And then big closet. And what I like about it, they divide it for you. So in case if you decide to add the stackable washer and dryers, you could add the combo and the shelf stay. If you want to add the stackable washer and dryer, then we just have to remove the shelf. And this service, we could do it here at the dealership too. But the beauty things is they give you the hookup. And next to it, we have full closet with LED lights. And what I like about this closet, you could see they give me a shelf, so I could add clothes here, I could put shoes, I could add more stuff. And there's also 110 plug inside. From the bedroom, we're gonna go to the bathroom and show you how roomy is the bathroom. It has solid door in the bathroom. And then look how beautiful this oval mirrors with a big sink with a room around it. And again, they give you doors in the bathroom. And then place here for trash can. Porcelain toilet. And they put it in an angle so they give you more room for your knees. I like about the showers is very shallow to get in, so I don't hurt my back, or easy to get in. Very big with the privacy, 60-inch with the skylight, so it's roomy. And then I have a place here for towels if I want to add. So this is the Sprinter 3520 RDS, mean rear den. RD is mean rear den slide out. This unit has 3 slide out, U-shaped kitchen in the middle, king size bed, 2 AC, fantastic fan, 2 power awning, and auto leveling. As usual, we have it a price no one could match. Come to Best RV and grab it.